In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own trading signals with Chatgpt. Let's get started. To begin our setup, I open up my web browser and navigate directly to the main Chatgpt interface. Once the page loads, I move my cursor over to the central chat box and click on the text area where it says Ask Anything. Instead of typing a basic question, I am going to paste a highly structured professional engineering prompt designed specifically for cryptocurrency analysis. The prompt instructs the AI to act as a professional crypto trading analyst, evaluate the current BTC USDT market data, and output a complete actionable trade and signal. After carefully reviewing the pasted prompt text to make sure everything looks correct, I move my mouse down to the bottom right corner of the input field and click the Send Prompt button, which is shaped like an upward arrow. Chatgpt immediately starts processing the instruction, and within a few seconds, the screen updates as it begins generating the response in real time. We can watch it fill out each custom indicator one by one, giving us a highly organized financial breakdown. It advises a hold signal for Bitcoin, establishes a specific entry price range, sets a protective stop loss, and maps out 3 progressive take profit levels for scaling out of the trade. It also calculates a dynamic confidence level, recommends a specific 4-hour time frame, and labels the current risk as medium-high. Right below that, it provides a concise 3-sentence technical analysis explanation explaining exactly how the current RSI and MACD trends support this market stance. Now that the complete trading signal is cleanly generated on screen, you can easily copy these exact parameters, save them to your trading journal, or use them to inform your daily market strategies. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.